There are different types of tomatoes that can be prepared in different ways. It is a nutrient-containing superfood that offers benefits to body systems and contains high carotenoids such as lutein and lycopene. Try to eat more tomatoes by adding them to wraps and sandwiches or sauces. Let's get to know more about benefits and side effects of raw tomato here. Benefits of raw tomato. Purify the blood. Tomato rich in antioxidants helps to purify the blood. It contains a high amount of vitamin C, vitamin K, and also iron and potassium. Iron helps in the production of RBC's blood production. Having a tomato would thereby also prevent you from pimples, acne, and other skin-related problems. Vitamin K helps in blood circulation and thus maintains normal blood health of the body. Improves vision. Vitamin A present in tomatoes helps in maintaining healthy eyesight. It works on the areas near the retina which is damaged by light-induced damage. It also prevents night blindness and macular degeneration. Tomatoes have lycopene which helps to restore the damage done to eye tissues. Promotes healthy skin. Vitamin C present in tomatoes are natural skin glowing agents, thus only a slice or wedge of it rubbing on the face and provide you healthy clear glowing skin. It also contains astringent, a natural substance that removed excessive oils on the skin. It further restores radicals and cells and prevents blackheads. Reduce risk for heart disease. Lycopene present in tomatoes is naturally red color antioxidants that restore damaged cells. It helps to reduce the level of LDL low-density lipoproteins, or bad cholesterol, and thus prevents chances of stroke. Tomatoes help in blood clotting and are also serves potential benefit after a heart attack. Maintain blood sugar. Tomatoes can prove to great good for diabetic patients. It has a relatively low glycemic index, a measure of carbohydrates, which makes it a superfood. Also, folic acid present relaxes the blood vessels and helps in lowering the blood pressure in type 2 diabetes. Reduce migraines. Substances present in tomatoes helps to reduce the frequency of your migraines. Migraine is a severe headache, usually on one side of the head and often accompanied by nausea or light sensitivity. Tomatoes help to reduce stress on blood vessels. Counters the bad effects of smoking. Smoking contains nicotine which damages the lungs. Tomatoes help to restore lung damage to people who have stopped smoking. Research says that people having 2 tomatoes a day are proved to have experienced lower lung function decline. Prevent urinary infections. Tomato is known to be the best and only alkaline fruit. Urinary tract infections (UTI) generally occur due to bacteria and the pH level decreases in the urinary tract. 0 highly acidic medium. Thus tomatoes help in maintaining the pH balance and cure these infections. Digestive health. The antioxidants present in tomato interacts with the good bacteria present in the gut and boost the activity of these healthful bacteria in the gut. It helps to remove toxins, prevents and treats constipation and diarrhea. Maintain strong bone. Tomatoes contain noble amount of calcium and vitamin C which helps bone building and repairing of bone tissues. Lycopene in particular protects and stimulates osteoblasts, which are important bone-building cells that synthesize and deposit bone matrix. Great source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is necessary for the growth and development of body tissues. It helps in strengthening the immune system and maintains bones and teeth. Tomatoes contain nearly 40% of it. Beta-carotene present helps in preventing dementia and reduces the risk of breast cancer. Boosts immunity. Tomatoes are rich in anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties which boost the immune system and bring a speedy recovery in case of cold or normal flu. It is efficient in creating and healing tissues of blood vessels and strengthens the immune system against diseases. These were some benefits of raw tomato. Side effects. Allergic reactions. People allergic to tomatoes can develop hypersensitivity to tomatoes. This can lead to eczema, stomach bloating, nausea, vomiting, skin rash. In some cases, tiredness, aches, and pain can be caused. Acid reflux. Eating a large number of tomatoes can cause acid reflux, which likely to cause heartburn, especially in the people who are prone to it. Other symptoms can be nausea and stomach discomfort. It can also lead to loss of taste for a short period time. Lycopenodermia. Lycopenodermia is a condition in which excess consumption of lycopene can lead to discoloration of the skin and liver and turn it into yellow color. Consuming a large number of tomatoes rich in lycopene can cause this. It has no harmful effects and will go away when no more lycopene is consumed. Kidney stones. Tomatoes may or may not lead to kidney stones because it contains oxalate, which forms stones in the kidney, but the amount is significantly less. However, if tomatoes are consumed raw with seeds, it can lead to stones, especially in people who already have it. Should avoid its consumption because otherwise, oxalate will trigger stone production. Diarrhea. There is a bacterium called Salmonella which is responsible for causing diarrhea. They feed upon tomatoes, so if your tomato has these bacteria, then it can lead to diarrhea and dehydration. Usually, this symptom is more prone to people having tomato intolerance or tomato allergy. Poisoning. Tomatoes contain a substance called solanine, which is a toxic alkaloid. It helps in the plant's defense mechanism as it makes tomatoes unappealing to bugs. But this is present in a very less amount in the fruit and largely present in its leaves and stems. Therefore, a normal consumption of tomatoes won't lead to poison in the body.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.